Good evening, ma'am.
A very good evening, Eklavya. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so tell me question. Which chemical is responsible for the development of ozone in the Earth atmosphere?
Ma'am, CFC, chlorofluorocarbons. They are released from fridges and other electrical devices which damage our ozone layer and allow UV light to come into the earth. As I know, UV light is dangerous for humans, so that is a bad thing.
Okay, a small amount of nickel in the body is used in the productions of.
Red blood cells. So the red, whenever you bleed, the red color comes from the hemoglobin in the red blood cells. So that red blood cells are mostly made up of nickel.
How much of the Earth crust is made of the heavy metals of weight?
Approximately 5%.
What is this?
It's approximately 5% of the crust is made of heavy metals.
What is the most important applications of the calcium in the industries?
Used to make rechargeable batteries. Calcium and lithium are used to make rechargeable batteries which use ions and electrons to recharge themselves.
Which of the following the heavy metals is an investment by the products of lead or June?
Cadmium.
Which process refer to the organization's increase in the connections of heavy metal or other toxic chemical in biological organisms?
Bioaccumulation. Over generations, we get exposed to more chemicals, and then our generations, our kids and their grandkids get exposed to more toxic chemicals. So that is called bioaccumulation.
What is the other name for the solid form in carbon dioxide?
Dry ice.
How?
Well, you freeze this gas, carbon dioxide, and then the ice, the steamy ice that forms, ice type of thing, that is called dry ice.
Most heavy metal in the periodic tables are found in.
Ma'am, nearly all of them are found in 3 to 12 groups.
Melting point of the heavy metals
Is
is.
very high.
What is the most commonly used heavy metal in the modern life?
Iron.
How?
Iron is used everywhere. It is used in iron steel mills, it is used in cars, it is used in TVs, it is used in electrical devices.
Which heavy metal is sometimes used in making volumes strings to allow for the better responsiveness and the similar diameter?
Violin strings are usually made by tungsten. Tungsten because tungsten is easily